Fuck the Lamborghini, fuck the cop cars. He is driving us. Oh, fuck. But yeah. So,
Why the?
no, because then I was too close to the car. I don't want to back up. I just want to like. So we did change the channel name to Mr. Mayel, and you know, the creator of it here, the creator of the name. So basically, how it started is because you guys know how when I introduce myself, I'll say Avi. I don't ever say Avi Mayel because it's too fucking long. So why would I say that? And then when I introduced my full name to Max, this dude thought my last name was Mayel. You remember Mr. Mayel? One day he just started calling me that, and then that's how it became a joke. Yeah, we're driving to Walmart right now.
So dope.
The freaking concept of the merch.
Oh,
I'll put it right here. Yeah, I'll
put
put it right here.
Put it in the video.
Put it right fucking
here. Oh shit.
Okay, guys. Sorry.
Alright.
They knew it was a prank.
How did they know?
They said they saw it yesterday on TV.
Really?
Yeah, the boys knew it was a prank. They knew it was a prank. I don't fucking know, but they got kind of mad at first. But the son already knew.
What happened? I have the flu.
Cover your fucking mouth.
All right, my bad, bro.
Alright, bro, so the guy just came, the one that downloaded, he's like, hey, why you doing that prank shit, bro? Why you doing that prank shit? Hi. Alright. Oh, sorry. Alright, sorry. Oh, but yeah, that guy got mad. He got pretty cheese. So we're gonna go, if we get kicked out, we're gonna go to Target, but right now we're just gonna keep doing it as long as we could be here.
Achoo.
Alright, so we're gonna go the fuck. Alright, so we're gonna go to Target right now because we didn't get kicked out of Walmart, but we're just gonna go do it at Target because the only people here are just like old people. So so yeah, we're gonna go full send it at Target. You guys have my word. We're gonna go full send it at Target. I got the pain relief, you know. I was nervous at first, but you know, we gotta do it, you know. Just like Daniel once said, gotta do it for the content. Go. You need a mask. What happened? What up? This is good. Alright. How much? 50?
What is that mean?
How much? $5? 550? Oh my god. 550. 550.
550 for this? God damn. Hello.
550. I come back.
Subscribe.
No, Mr. Oh. Subscribe to Mr. Mayel.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Subscribe to Mr. Mayel.
550 for that, dude.
We'll come back. Subscribe to Mr. Mayel. Hey, Borushki.
Borushka Daya.
Chamroy.
What do you need?
Do
Borushki?
you guys have
Borushki
the chim?
Baya.
You guys have the
Speak
chim?
Russian?
Hey,
I thought my
Izbara.
mom told me to come here to buy the.
the candy, yeah.
Lychee?
Ah?
Lychee.
Oh, you mean the... You know the name?
Yeah, I don't know.
What about the?
Walk around.
What about the? What about that one?
Chamroy? Chamroy.
I don't know.
Okay. Can I look
No
around?
idea.
Can I look around?
Oh, you had the mask inside?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Wear
yeah.
the mask.
Yeah.
6 feet.
Must wear the mask for inside.
Oh, this
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, wear it.
You speak Russian?
Russian?
Varushki?
Borush?
Varushki?
No.
Just kidding, me neither. I don't even know. So I was having I was like effing my dog in the butthole yesterday, and he wanted to. Hey, no, off this. Hey, bro, respect. Gosh, bro. Yesterday I was effing. Okay, so I was like, yesterday I was effing my dog in the butthole. Hey, no.
Can I eat?
No.
No eating?
Yes.
No.
Display off, huh?
Can I taste it so I can see if I want to buy
No.
it? Oh, I can.
Em có muốn serve đó không? Em muốn anh đuổi ra.
I know what you're saying.
Không người nói là ra ngoài đứng đi.
Ok.
Anh phải xong đã.
Ok.
Em không có coi.
Đó là em muốn serve.
Dude, just because I F my dog in the butthole doesn't mean I get to be treated like this. Yeah, that's how you're being serious.
Free candy.
No,
You fucking got free candy?
Oh, what the fuck is this? It's
De
ginger.
la Rosa.
Bro, they thought we were like, hey,
Oh, wait, it's mint. No disrespect, alright?
Ah! Seems like he'll let us know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we live here.
These two kids, this one here was after them. One of them is in my face, one was in my truck. They acted like they did that. Yeah, they had spray bottle.
Yeah, to the water.
But still, it won't matter. I mean, what they
Wait.
did is not right.
What was the
Even though they're spraying water on people's face, it's not funny.
Yeah, but you were trying to hit him.
What are you trying to feed you? Only one like, fuck that, you can use that too, and then you can run.
Wait, are you the person in the car?
I was in the truck, exactly.
Oh, my bad. You're just
Hang out over there, okay? Let me talk to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Is anybody home at your house?
Nah.
Have a seat on the curb here.
Can I stand up or?
I prefer you sit down.
What are we waiting for?
This is BS.
Are any of you guys on any kind of probation or anything?
No, not at all.
Never been in trouble?
No, not at all. Yeah, go ahead.
What's your first name?
Abby Mael. A-V-I.
What is it?
Abby Mael. A-V-I.
A-I-M.
M-A-E-L.
And what's your date of birth? Where do you guys go to school?
Well, he goes to it.
I go to
What's your last name?
Brahane. Brahane, B-E-R. B-E-R.
E-R.
H-A-N-E.
H.
A-N-E.
And your first name?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Are you alright with that?
Date of birth?
2001.
2004?
Yeah. Dude.
My dad could pick us up.
No. I think they're gonna take us. Oh my gosh, dude. Water, dude.
But so the cops are being really chill about it. They called Max's mom, and we did get picked up by his mom. He is in trouble. We're all in trouble. Me, Daniel, and Max. Well, Daniel is okay. I'm okay, but you know, I'm like in a little bit of trouble. Max is the one that's grounded because you know, we it wasn't good. Our parents don't want us to get caught up with cops, like obviously. But make sure you guys subscribe. We have to take risks for everything you want in life, you know. So we take risks for YouTube because you know we're trying to blow up. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, and repost this video, share whatever you can do to get it out.
In my room, I beat my cup, nutted in my sock, keeping that door locked. Bitch, you better knock. When I beat my cup, when I beat my cup. In my room, I beat my cup, nutted in my sock, keeping that door.